Are you struggling to find more time in a day to get more housework done? Then you've come to the right video. My name is Amber Swanson, and today I'm going to share with you 5 tips for calendar blocking so you can get more housework done. What I found out is that you don't need more time, but you need to decide. That's what Seth Godin says. So if you're new here, go ahead and like and subscribe, where you're going to continue to see more content like this every Sunday. So buckle up your seatbelt and let's dive right in. Calendar blocking is the term that is coined by Jordan Page. She is the founder originator, from my understanding, and once I learned about calendar blocking, I had to share with you so that you can maximize your time, so you can start doing things that matter the most to you, so you're not spending all your time cleaning. And so once I found out about Jordan Page, and I'll leave a lot of more information in the description below, it's going to help you take your cleaning to a whole new level. The software I recommend you use for calendar blocking there's so many options, but I'm just going to name a few. It's Google Calendar, just your regular reminders, and Calendly. I wanted to share those softwares so you can get a leg up, so we can dive right into tip number 1. You're going to want to batch your reoccurring cleaning tasks. This is going to help you get the most use of your time. And tip number 2 is you want to look at your week and plan out your cleaning in advance. That way you can put it into the calendar and block that time out. Tip number 3, since we're talking about blocking times, what I've noticed in a lot of videos that people talk about is using a color-coded system. This is going to help you figure out the colors are important because you can base them off of pink, yellow, and blue, and use those colors as your priority. These are most important, least important, and this is something that if I have time, I'll get to it. That's going to help you in the long run. Tip number 4 is a good old to-do list. This is one of my favorites, and this is something that I use often. The to-do list is going to help you structure out what times and tasks that need to be blocked out using that color-coded system we talked about. Tip number 5 is be as specific as possible when you're blocking out your times. Don't just say clean the house. Put in pink as the priority, saying this is what I have to do today, is dust all the rooms in the house. So these are the 5 tips that's going to help you get more housework done. I'm going to provide more information in the description box below. But before you go, out of curiosity, what software do you use to schedule your cleaning? Leave that in the description below so get this conversation started. Might help somebody else find a software that'll work better for them. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this video, and if you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. It'll help the video out. And go ahead and share this video with someone who can definitely up the ante on getting more cleaning done. Now, calendar blocking isn't something that can just be applied to cleaning. You can apply this to many aspects of your life to be the most productive you. So check out the next video, but in the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.